more of the post-mortem on this little 302. Hyper-eutectic pistons in it. As you can see, it's been balanced. The crank's been balanced. Everything's been a fair amount of money put in this thing. It might have 10 hours on it. Had around 1.5 thou clearance on some of the pistons. Some of them were less than that, way under what it's supposed to be. The cam bearings didn't look much better. I thought, well, I better see what the end play is. It's supposed to be 3 to 5 thou. So I said, okay, let's check this out. So we got her all set up. Supposed to be 3 to 6 thou. Oh dear, 100 thou? Jeepers. Camshaft slopping in per annum. I guess that's why, another reason why it ate all the lobes. Look at that. The difference between building an engine and just assembling it. And now the camshaft. As you can see, you can catch your fingernail on it. So she's already eaten the lobe after whatever, 10 hours or whatever was on the motor. And every lobe's doing that. You can catch your fingernail on it. So that was on the way out. The bearings themselves, you can see better now when you move everything. So the bearings are pretty chewed up. So they're going to replace. It means the block has to go in. So they took it out, 30 thou oversize. And that's after honing. I took it from the 1.5 thou clearance out to 3 thousandths clearance, which was supposed to be the top. So I took it out to 3. All of them were tight. 1.5, so that's after honing probably 2 thou more out of the hole. The holes are nice and square, no taper at all, fresh bore. Just whoever assembled this thing just slapped her together. More evidence of butchery, and I get in there, why the cam has so much end play. They didn't use a right size socket. They used something else just to, or a driver, they just used a small socket to pound that in. And they didn't bottom it out. So it might be a case of just pounding that through, but I still need cam bearings. Oh my gosh, who put this thing together? Okay, 1 to 3 thou on the bottom one there for 302. Crank end play, 1 to 3 thou. So where are we? One and a half, about 2. Yeah, 1.5 thou. That'll do, pig. That'll do. I was going to mock stuff up and see what fits and check all the rest of the clearances. Go put the crank in, and it's an Eagle crank. Somebody spent